Hello, my name is Helena, and we're back with Dr. Moondust, cancer biologist and founder of Moondust Cosmetics. We continue with her comments in our series on the top news item the world over, and that, of course, is the coronavirus vaccine. We're asking Dr. Moondust in this segment for her comments on the much anticipated coronavirus vaccine. This time around, we'll discuss the Oxford Astrazeneca vaccine. Dr. Moondust, may we have the benefit of your comments on the Oxford Astrazeneca vaccine?
Sure. So this is a more traditional virus vector vaccine, which means it's a harmless virus with bits or all of the SARS-CoV-2 genetic material in it. And at some point during the trials, they halted them because one of the subjects started to have some neurological symptoms, including spinal inflammation, which is actually, possibly one of the effects of the virus. But they haven't really made it clear if that was one of the test subjects who received the vaccine, or if it was one of the controlled subjects who received a placebo. So that's another point. And then a rather interesting issue with this vaccine is to do with dose. That they found in their trials that it had a 62% efficiency if the subjects were given 2 full doses of the vaccine. And by the way, in all of these vaccines, we're talking about 2 doses. Whereas it seemed to have 90% efficiency when the subjects were given half an initial dose, followed by a full dose of the vaccine. So this is a little mystery the researchers are going to have to solve, because in science, it's really important to know exactly why something works to ensure reproducibility. And personally, I'd be very interested to know if there were any side effects in that group that had the 62% efficiency, because this vaccine has really shone a light on the issue of dose.
So that's been our major takeaway this time around, in addition to your comments on the state of the AstraZeneca vaccine as scientists, and we've received through the news, of course. And now we have the concept of that it is a 2-stage vaccination process, pretty much for all of the vaccine candidates. And Dr. Moondust, I guess there's also the fact that we in the general public are not knowing if the side effects came in the control group or in the vaccination group, or if in fact that percentage might have, that neurological side effect might have been in the person's natural makeup to begin with.
It's not.
Yeah. Well, we'll keep updated, and I would invite our viewers to subscribe so that they have the benefit of more information from you as it's presented to us from the science world. Please do subscribe. You'll be alerted and be able to have the updates from Dr. Moondust on the AstraZeneca vaccine, as well as the others we've discussed in the rest of the series. Please be safe, and we'll see you again soon.